Welcome to the gold update. Okay, so gold really breaking down after we break the 4-hour range uptrend. The price just starting laddering down. Okay, as you can see. So on the 4-hour, I need to delete some levels here that were holding the price a lot of times, but since we tested that so many times, it is just breaking down. I also created some range trends here that could hold the price. As you can see, this was almost not effective because we had this first range trend on a 1 hour. We back tested trend and the price actually first we break the trend, back test the trend, and the price just breaks down. Okay, it has the little reaction here on this candle, as you can see on that trend, but the price just breaks down because uh, that 4-hour break of the trend. Okay, on the range trend. Sorry. So if we are going to keep the downtrend, guys, honestly, I believe this 4-hour untested candle, the candle that created the range trend, can hold the price. Okay, this one can hold the price, but also the 4-hour that held that trend. Okay, the 4-hour here that hold 1 2 times and creates the range trend, it can still hold. So it's between this 4-hour and this 4-hour, or it can easily go to a 15 inside here. Okay, I have this 4-hour marked. I believe this one can also, because it is between the level here. As you can see, we did not actually test it. It just deep dives and goes to a level inside the force. So it never actually tested like this candle here. As you can see, it goes really good to the body or even to the wick. As you can see, it doesn't deep dive the body or the wick. So we can easily hold this for because if we are also breaking the trend, we can easily break the creation of the trend and go to the next base of the move. Okay, so we still have this 1-hour polarity here that can hold the price. I believe we add this as a 4-hour polarity, but I went to a greedier point. But this one here can also hold the price. As you can see, it holds a little bit, but it might just break down. So I don't want to actually believe that that level is going to hold. So yeah, I believe I said everything here, guys. Gold is breaking down on the daily. Also, we already tested everything here on the daily. So the only thing that is able to hold, it might be polarity or 4-hour old levels here. Honestly, on the top, we are some levels that we can still test before we actually break down. Okay, we have the 4-hour here. It has a ladder from this candle to this one, so we can easily go there and keep the downtrend. I believe this 4 was already tested, okay, by this week. And let me go to the 1-hour. I had this 1-hour as support, and it might even be a resistance in the future. Okay, support turning into resistance. This is probably the break level, so I'm gonna make this a dashed line, and I want to actually see if we are going to test that. So we add this 1-hour as support. We don't need it anymore. Let me see the daily there. Okay, the daily here is not important anymore. We have actually the daily body and the wick of this white as a resistance level. Okay, so there are some levels that we can still test before we actually break down. Okay, and we can easily hold this range. As you can see, we can easily, let me make it here, we can easily hold this range, and if we actually break this range, we are probably going to the next range here. Okay, so this 4-hour, this daily, sorry, was not tested, and inside that daily there is also some 4-hour untested candles that can still hold the price up. Okay, guys, but we are actually having a little correction here on gold, so be careful. It might be a Monday of a lot of volatility. Thank you so much, and see you on the next video.